Hello, Fury Nation. I know this is what you've been waiting for. The unboxing of the great vacuum cleaner. Are you excited as I am? Let's go. What? It's empty. What's going on? Shit. Right. Unfortunately, someone has obviously already unboxed it. Which is not good. You wait till I see this person. There will be eruptions, I promise. Jarvis, I knew you were waiting for this. I'm sorry. But anyway, here it is, in all its glory. Beautiful. You'll have to stay tuned for the next video for when I use it. That'll be the best. Seeing as this unboxing went terribly wrong, and I don't know how to apologise, I thought about doing maybe a reboxing. What do you think of that? Yeah? Okay. Reboxing, here we go. Boom. What do you think of that? Boxed up. Anyway. So, Furious Nation. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thanks to you. Yeah.